This might be a really innovative and effective way at addressing some of the challenges that we face in our access control system and physical security at our facility. Consistently be able to control access and avoid battery work orders and those sorts of high maintenance items. The technology is fascinating, but for us, it just makes a simple deployment where we can get the features of audit trails, and iLOQ has an API that integrates with the access control system that we're moving towards right now. We're going through a retrofit, and that's a plus for us because that integration allows us to sort of streamline how we manage users and control access in the building.